Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Now, I know it's a little late, but I'm doing my IPSY October glam bag because I actually got it late. I got it just a couple days ago and today's the 30th, so yeah. But here is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go through, what each item is, and yeah, y'all know the drill, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing in my glam bag is a sample of the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and this is in the shade Y335. Now, I'm not sure if this will match me. It looks a little dark, but I mean, I've been wanting to try this, so now I have the opportunity to. So yeah, it looks like that. And it says that it is a natural looking foundation. Formula evens out your complexion while still looking like your skin, and it's never cakey or heavy. You can customize your coverage. It is medium to full, super lightweight, and it's buildable. The natural dewy look or dewy finish looks amazing on any lighting stitch. So yeah, and then I got the shade Y335. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I will let you guys know if I like it or not. Okay, next I got this. I'm sorry, I'm recording this right before I go back to bed. I put my son on the school bus and today's my day off, so yeah. Anyways, I got this Naked Cosmetics loose eyeshadow pigment in the shade Heavy Metal. This is what it looks like. It's this real gold, coppery looking color. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to open this. Give me a minute. Okay, so anyways, this is the pigment. I'm gonna take it off slowly because I don't need it spilling. Ooh, okay. This is what that looks like. Hold on. It's like real goldy colored. I'm gonna very lightly just tap my finger in there. Oh gosh, this is gonna be like everywhere if I use this. Okay. Ooh, glad I had the lid on. This here is a swatch. Ooh. Well, that's pretty. It's a little, I think I'd have to use it on like a wet base, but that's kind of pretty. That ain't bad, that ain't bad. And again, the shade was Heavy Metal. It says it's a loose powder pigment, finely milled, super blendable, and easy to apply. Heavy Metal is shiny and pretty topaz shade. Really? I don't see it as a topaz shade, but you know, whatever. Yeah. Anyways, okay, next I got sorry. Next I got this IPSY. I think I'm probably saying it wrong. IPSY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter. It's like this. Packaging is actually pretty cute, so, you know. This is a step up from being the small little highlighters that I seem to get. It looks like this, the back. And this is in the shade, what is this? Prosecco. something like that. It's this real pretty looking color in here. I will swatch it. Ooh, it's real smooth. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's like really bright. Hold up. We're just gonna turn that off. It's okay. Okay. No, we're not, because I can't see shit. I tried. Just put it down a little bit then. Okay. Well, it's not gonna work either. Ooh, that's pretty. The swatch is pretty. It's like a champagne-y, goldish looking color. It's right here. Oh my gosh, this is like the worst video ever. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. Probably not, but I don't care. Anyways, this here is the shade. It's got like a slight pink color to it right here. But it is very beautiful. It's crazy because it doesn't look pink at all. And maybe a little bit, you know. It's just a smidge. But anyways, this is a finely milled, which means it goes on super smooth, never streaky. Formula is buildable, so you can go for a low-key or ultra-lit look, depending on your mood. Ooh, my hair looks ridiculous. Prosecco is a luminous apricot shade that looks so pretty on everyone. And, yeah, because that's for the other shade. Pink Pearls was the other one that was in the IPSY bag, but I didn't get that one. Thank God, because pink highlighters do not look good on me. So, yes. Okay, next I got this Ultra Repair. Oh my God. My cat's over here licking his butt. Hey. Still licking. Let me see if I can show you. Just licking away. Anyway, I got this Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration for Dry, Parched Skin. This is by the brand First Aid Beauty. This is what this looks like. And from here you can see it, but oh, there you go. I could just put it like this. Okay, it comes out like regular hand cream, you know, like this. Just put it right here and just. Oh, there went my son's phone. It smells a little weird, but it's definitely hydrating. I can feel the stuff in my fingertips. It's very weird. Yeah. And then this says you can use it from head to toe. It absorbs quickly and never feels greasy. Made with soothing ingredients like shea butter, licorice root, and white tea that are so comfy on sensitive skin. Gentle formula is safe to use on your mini hipsters. It's okay to dab some on your kiddos when they need it. No. That kind of smells weird. My kid would be like, ew, don't put that on me. It stinks, Mommy. Why would you do that? Yeah, my kid talks like that sometimes. Wow. Alright, and the last, what's this? Who said nights were for sleep? Oh. Oh, this is from the October bag also. Anyway, the very last thing in here is a brush. And this is by the brand, yeah, I don't know how to say it. I'm just going to show it to you. Let me turn the brightness down. Hopefully you can read it. Oh, too low. Oh, still too low. Look at that. Yikes. I'm just gonna have to keep it high, I guess. Yeah, it's by the brand Bayou Crackis. I don't fucking know. Anyways, it is a angled brush. Never have too many of these motherfuckers. Great for them eyebrows. And if you ain't noticed, I've been so busy working that I haven't done my fucking eyebrows. So, yeah. Anyways, this brush is like really soft. I could just draw all on my face with it. Spot conceal these raggedy pimples. Yeah. And it says, stiff angled brush is fabulous for filling in your brows, defining your lids, lining your lips, and more. It also works with all of your powder, liquid, and cream formulas. It's versatile, and we like to call it the LBD of brushes. LBD. I might be very tired, but like I'm having a total brain fart. What the fuck is LBD? LBD. I don't know. Whatever that is, you know. A brush with kindness, and this baby is cruelty-free and vegan. Also, since I forgot to swatch the foundation, this is what it looks like. It looks real golden-y. Like, golden-y. I don't know if that's gonna match, but this is what it looks like. It's like real golden-y yellow. And just no. It's gonna be a little bit dark to just cover up these pimples. We're gonna blend it in with our finger. We're just gonna rub it in, fuck it. Definitely dark. So yeah. I'm gonna leave that there. I'm too tired to wipe it off. I don't have a wipe over here either. Yeah. Alright, that is everything in this IPSY haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it's a little late. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of the GLAM family. I am almost at 600 subscribers, and you guys mean the world to me. Also, you should definitely follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. Everything will be listed down below. And until next time, I love you guys.